boards with many components on, and sometimes it has nothing on the board. It's very clean one. So if your boards, actually for different boards, maybe the shredder configuration will be different because it has the thick. Maybe it has the bigger capacitor and the batteries, yeah, and others. So it will be easier for the shredder machine to shred this kind of materials because there's no very hard and the big materials. Okay, then let's see how the factory.